First question was, did you know of the water problem in Gallup?
Which water problem?
The drought.
Yeah. Right now, actually, I saw the news last night, and Farmington is actually experiencing a real emergency with their water system. They have a really bad issue with their water system right now. They can't drink the tap water from the faucets.
And my most recent memory in Gallup, New Mexico, visiting a lake was at Blue Water Lake. Around the lake, I used to pick up arrowheads and hawks because they mean good luck. Now I can't relive that memory anymore because the lake is losing water. Most likely by the year of 2020, we might not have any more water. And I want the citizens of Gallup to realize this fact.
When I was about 7 or 8, we went to McGaffey. It was a good memory. When I was there, I remember I tried fishing, but my rod was made out of fishing string and a stick I found. This is when the lake still had water. Now there is nothing. This lake has become part of the 30 lakes that have dried up over the past 30 years. I just want people to know that Gallup needs water.
I like to share my story about Lake McGaffey. I remember there was a bridge there and the water was almost to the bottom of the bridge. Over the years that I've gone, I've noticed that the water was decreasing. In my most recent visit to McGaffey, there is no water. I think people should know they should conserve water.
Coyote was walking one day and saw a water monster with her baby. He took her baby when she wasn't looking and she got angry. She soon took all the water and Didine asked her to return the water. She told him to return her baby and Didine went looking. They soon found Coyote with her baby and told him to return the baby. He said no, but he got hot and thirsty and soon gave the baby back.